Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, we are going to continue the lesson with what was the lesson? Our lesson was our universe. So, what all things we have look in the new in this lesson? What is a universe? And how about stars? What is a galaxy and all? Moving on. Let's learn about moon. Moon is said to be our neighbor, our bright neighbor. Why is it so? Let's have a look. Moon is a satellite, is a natural satellite of Earth. Is the only natural satellite of Earth. Earth is having one natural satellite. Then it's not having its own light. It doesn't have its own light. So where does the light come from? What we see, it reflects the light of sun. It reflects the light of the sun. Right? What is a satellite? Again, satellite is nothing but an object, a small object which revolves around the planet. Okay, what is a satellite? A small object which revolves around the planet. Okay, fine. So this is clear enough. Then moving on. And sometimes, and moon is, how is the moon? The moon is seen in the same way, isn't it? It is clear. It is clearly seen as we have a look at the sun, isn't it? But in actual, moon is smaller than the sun. Moon is smaller than the sun, but it seems to be same as if we look at the sun. It seems to be the shape or the size of sun. Why? Because moon is closer to our planet. That is the Earth. Closer to the Earth. That is the reason it seems to be the same. And how about the shade? It keeps on changing, isn't it? Why is it so? It is because sometimes we see it as a round ball. Sometimes a half moon is seen, isn't it? This is a crescent. A half moon is seen. Why is it so? It is so because it moves around the Earth, isn't it? As we have said, the moon moves around the Earth and the light from the sun lighten up it. Light from the sun lights up different parts of moon. Okay? Sometimes the sun, so whenever the sun is bigger than any planet, okay? So when it lighten up the moon, some part of the rays they fall and some part of the rays they don't. So that is the reason it seems to be different. It keeps on changing. It seems to change time to time. Okay. So this is a wrap of the lesson. Fine. We'll have a quick recap of what all things we went through. We all learned about galaxy. What is a galaxy? First and foremost, universe. How it formed? It formed with a big explosion called Big Bang. So previously how it was the sphere with hot gases or ball of hot burning gases. The universe was a ball of hot burning gases. Suddenly it exploded. Okay, it explodes like your balloon when you just blow it, and suddenly it explodes. What happens? It breaks into pieces, isn't it? In the same way, the universe, the balloon, the hot balloon gas also, the ball, when it exploded, it moved in, dispersed into tiny particles. Okay, those tiny particles slowly they got cooled down, and they formed the universe. What all things you include? The sun, moon, planets, asteroids, meteors. Fine. These all things are formed. Were formed. Then later on, what we learn? To which galaxy our Earth belong to? Earth belongs to the galaxy of Milky Way. Many galaxies you find Milky Way galaxy. Many galaxies you find in the universe ours belong to the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, then moving on. How about the stars? The stars are very much brighter, and they are very much bigger than the Earth. Why they look like a dot? Because they are far away from us. The stars are very far away from us, so that is the reason they look like a dot. Okay, and the group of stars which form a pattern, isn't it, in a straight line or in the shape, what we have learned about that example, the Ursa Minor. Ursa Minor is called the small bear. Okay, it's an example. This is nothing but the constellation. Constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars which form a pattern or a shape. Okay, that is constellation. We went through. Then moving on. Then how about the asteroids and meteoroids? Asteroids are rocky objects. Okay, which are made of rocks, and meteoroids are formed with gas. Meteoroids formed with gas, rocks, and ice. Okay, they are formed as such. So all these things, what they do, they all move around the sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Sun is placed at the center of the solar system. All the planets, they move in an oval shape. Okay, that is called the orbit. Fine, this is called the orbit, and they maintain their distances. Fine, and the sun, the planets, they don't have their own light. Apart from Mercury and Venus, they don't have their own light. All the planets, they reflect the light of the sun. Okay, this is the orbit, and the movement is called as revolution. The planets moving in their particular orbits is called as revolution, and moving in own axis. So they move around their own axis slightly like this. So this is called their axis. That movement is called as rotation. Fine. This is about the universe. Hope you all understood.